We like cereal. Do you like cereal? Do you like your cereal? What a mess. What a mess. I think you made a mess with your cereal. I can't tell if you like it or not. And I can't tell if you like it or not. Do you want some more? Do you want some more? Is it pretty good? Huh? Do you like it? Is it yummy? Is it yum yum? Mmm. Apparently yeah. You got it everywhere. Huh. Want some more? Huh? Mmm, good stuff. Alright, I'm sorry. Not finished yet. Oh, let's get him up.